Hello viewers, welcome to the Bioinformatics course. I am Dr. Istari, Assistant Professor of Kakati University. Let us start this course with this introductory video. After so many years, the scientists collected numerous data from experiments. The scientists do not know whether this invented data is already exist or not. To this, scientists need a tool that can be interlink information from different areas like biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, and genomics. Therefore, we designed this course which helps to the life sciences students to emphasize the application of bioinformatics and to solve the real research problems. The objectives of this course will be to give students an introduction to the basic practical techniques of bioinformatics, to give practical knowledge on multiple sequence alignment, to carry out phylogenetic analysis, to emphasize the application of bioinformatics and biological databases to problem solving in real research problems, and to give the practical knowledge on molecular docking with ligand receptor interaction studies and molecular dynamic simulations. At the end of the course, the learner will be able to get the knowledge to identify, adapt, and develop in silico models appropriate to the specific study of different biological projects. And the students will be familiar with the use of bioinformatics software tools in their area of research. The structure of the course. The entire course shall be delivered in 12 weeks, including 2 weeks for revision and assessment. In the week of 1 to 5 and 7 to 11, we will provide self-learning e-content including videos, lecture notes, and practical questions. In week 6 and 12 weeks, you are supposed to revise what you have learned, and 1 hour interaction after every 3 weeks will provided. In the content of the course, we will learn about nucleic acid database and gene sequences in first week. In week second, we will see the protein databases, retrieval of amino acids, protein sequences. In week 3, we'll see global and multiple sequence alignment. We will learn about pairwise sequence alignment with BLAST in 4th week. In week 5, we look into different online tools for multiple sequence alignment and also for phylogenetic analysis. In week 7 and 8, we will see sequence analysis using different tools and also construction of phylogenetic tree. We will learn about primer designing in week 9, and in week 10 we will see the secondary structure analysis of the protein, and in week 11 we will deals with the homology modeling of protein and energy minimization, and in last week of the course we will able to learn drug discovery technology with molecular docking and dynamic simulations. I hope you will enjoy the learning this bioinformatics basics course. Thank you.